Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to give your cats a safe way to enjoy the outdoors, this 4x6 lean-to attached catio is the perfect weekend project. This design attaches directly to your home, making it super convenient for your cats to move in and out freely. Start by building the base frame using pressure-treated 2x4 lumber. Assemble it with 3.5 screws, double-checking that all corners are square and flush. Once the base is sturdy, move on to the wall frames. Cut your 2x2 lumber to size according to the plans, and assemble the back, side, and front wall frames. Remember to drill pilot holes first to avoid splitting the wood. For the front wall, don't forget to install the 2x4 header above the door opening. It'll add critical strength where it's needed most. Next, stand up the wall frames on the base. Line everything up so the bottom plates are flush, and secure them with 3.5 screws every 24 inches. Before fully locking it down, square up all corners and make sure the walls align properly. You'll thank yourself later. Once the frame is up, move on to the rafters. Cut the 2x2s at the correct angles as shown in the plans and install them 16 inches on center along the top of the walls. A sturdy rafter layout is key to supporting the polycarbonate roof. For the roof, install the 6mm twin-wall polycarbonate sheets. Align the sheets carefully with a slight overhang at the front for better water drainage. Join the panels together with an H-channel, and secure them to the rafters using screws with rubber washers to keep everything watertight. After that, add the 1x3 trim piece along the low end of the roof for a polished finish. Little touches like that really make the build look clean and professional. Now it's time for the door. Build the door frame out of 2x2 lumber, reinforce it with diagonal braces cut at 45 degrees, and stretch 16-gauge fencing wire over it for security. Hang it with heavy-duty 3 inches by 3 inches hinges and a simple latch to keep things safe. As always, you can find the full plans over at myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.